Okay, up for sale. It's my 400 small block Chevy. This is the stock crankshaft that came in the block after machine work. Turns with the factory bearings also. Turns like a champ. It's got the Eagle splayed main caps, studded mains. Also perfect cylinder walls. It's 20 over. It's in absolutely perfect condition. Can't really see that well, but you get the gist of it. Also, Brodax Track 1 heads. Absolutely perfect condition. Manley rods, large roller camshaft, Victor Jr. intake, competition cams, push rods, cam motion, rocker arms in the 1:5 ratio. Everything is in absolutely beautiful condition. .4340 400 main steel crank with the Dragon Slayer. These are factory Brodax Track 1 heads. Virgin. Yes, they will run. But absolutely perfect condition. Two-bolt main made into a splayed. Four-bolt main. It's grouted to the top of the water pump jacket. Ready for high compression and race.